Yeah, g'day guys, my name's James Forson. I'm a seven-figure product creator and affiliate marketer, and I'm coming at you with a case study on a product that I launched called ProfitCell, where I did $24,000 in revenue in the space of 7 days, and I paid out approximately $12,000 in commissions to affiliates. Now, this was a sort of like a mini launch. It was just with a few affiliates, and it converted really well. I'm super happy about how it went. And on top of that, we also, was able to make an additional, on average, I think it was around about 10K in terms of back end profits. So not only was I able to make money on the front end by other people's efforts, I was also to be able to generate, an additional $10,000 in pure profits with my back end product called Breakout University. Now, if you're interested and you really keen to, you like the content of this video, down below is a link to come and have a chat with me. And if you're interested, I've also just started a new mastermind called My Inner Circle, where we focus on building you a low ticket offer. We also help you mold a new back end program as well. And even if you're an existing marketer as well, if you're having trouble in getting a really good launch going, and you're sort of like, trying to break the threshold of like 100 sales, 200 sales, when you want to go further into 500 plus sales, reach out and we'll have a chat. Also, if you like this video, subscribe and we'll go from there. So in terms of product inspiration, back in 2018, I created a free course and it was to boost recurring commissions, and it did really well. All right. I was able to, back then, I was pretty green, I was pretty new, and I was able to generate probably on average, about $1,000 a month just purely by handing out a free course. And that recurring started to grow over time and did really well. And I remember how when I was struggling to get started, I sort of like saw other people do this as well. And this is what became the inspiration of called ProfitCell. It's like creating a cell that pays out on sort of like 8 different income streams. All right. So how we did that was, we wanted to give the path of least resistance. We, offered us, a platform that's free to start, something like system.io, and we've got a link down below in the description there, and how we were able to create a free mini course on how people can build recurring information, offer really good content, and be able to, start getting those recurring commissions, coming through day in and day out. Now, we also wanted to create the offer in itself that would appeal not only to cold traffic, but also to warm traffic, affiliate traffic, and, also have a copy as well in terms of storytelling, proven results, and obviously we've got the proofs on the sales page and a really good VSL. So we also wanted to create a really good product that allows people to, get into the realm of affiliate marketing and just start, with a really good basic option of being able to just generate commissions as well. So not only inside the front end, we gave them, we also gave them really good affiliate programs, that we don't get any benefit out of showing them. We also, give them a few low ticket offers. So I also gave them, guaranteed approval on my own affiliate offers. I believe I gave them, ProfitCell to actually promote themselves, and also Affiliate One, which is my case study on how I made 1.1 million in affiliate commissions back in 2021. So the offer was structured very much in terms of a way of, we had a front end. So I'll show you the front end. I won't be able to go through the OTOs because I had a few, but this is the front end offer in itself. Okay. It's like a set and forget system. We also show them the traffic on how they can get automated traffic coming through. This is not a software. It's purely an informational product. Like I said, we only set up the profit cells once and they continue to generate pure profits, which they do, right? You can literally create this account for free. It allows them to go through it. And, people can, literally go nuts in terms of, signing up to stuff and start implementing what you're showing inside this free training, right? Because when they start earning from it, they have more incentive to keep purchasing through your affiliate links, and more so, and there's a lot of money to be made doing this. Now, some people say that the free, training and all that sort of stuff model doesn't work. It really does, right? It starts creating new problems. It's a solution for someone to start making money, but as they start getting more experience, it's a solution. Starts creating a few other problems for them. They start going through challenges along the way, and then they start investing in more products through you. So it's a really good mechanism to start with going through. We did $17, a $17 front end. We also did a inline bump as well on the page, and then we also had a checkout bump as well. So we had 2 upsells even before they got to the first upgrade, right? Which is really good. So the most that they paid was probably like 30 odd bucks straight up. Okay, and that was a really good revenue raiser, right? I've also done products where it's like $7.95 and stuff like that, and stuff like a price point like this really did help. Now, on top of this, we had a few call to actions going through. We had a one-time price, and then we also had proofs to evolve come through as well. So this is some of my PayPal transactions, and being able to really leverage this as well. And we also had some AI training inside too. Okay, this all tells a bit of a story on how it all works, how we benefit from it, some of the proofs that we had inside, and it was a really good converting page. And in terms of affiliates, we didn't have a lot of affiliates promoting it, but when they promoted it, they did really well. All right. And that's the benefits also of like having a good offer, being constructed, is that it's going to perform regardless of if it's if you didn't have a lot of affiliates turn up for your launch or anything like that. It did really well. So just to show you a bit of proof with ProfitCell, we had 709 sales during the period of 27th to the 3rd. So we just did over 7, and we paid just over, obviously we were promoting it at 50%. So we paid probably just under 12K, obviously because, this doesn't take into account, affiliate fees and stuff like that, what Warrior Plus does. Now, on top of that, we obviously leveraging the free to start software, which is system.io, and it was a really good mechanism to do that as well. We also offered 7 upgrades. Now, a lot of people complain that sometimes it's too many upgrades. All these upgrades are a benefit to the actual offer in itself, right? There's not one upgrade that I give to them that's not going to benefit the front end of the $17 front end, all right? So we also give them a ton of automation sequences in here as well, all right? So we give them automation sequences. We give them a bunch of email swipes that they can mail out to subscribers. In the front end, we also give them traffic sources in order to bring in and build an email list. And that's how we did it. On top of that, we've got the done for you setup, where my team will help them set it up. We also have our top traffic sources. So in the front end, I just gave them one sniff of one of my traffic sources, and this was a very popular upgrade, right? I even started I do probably 3 to 4 emails after they purchase, right, in the follow-up sequence, promoting the OTOs. We also did automated bot sequences as well, so like ManyChat templates that they can plug in and upload straight away. We also offered a mega bundle, so we also provide them a lot of other cash methods that they can promote as well, use as well, and also promote in their own right. We also gave them franchise rights where they can sell the product as their own, and make bigger commissions and profits out of that. And then we also had Breakout University, which is my flagship coaching program in terms of affiliate marketing. Okay. I don't do any product creation inside Breakout University. It is all affiliate marketing driven. It's about promoting other people's products. It's about, leveraging high ticket products, promoting affiliate offers, stuff like that. All right. There is no product creation in this. And we do that at $997 per year. So, if you're more interested in the affiliate side of things and you're interested in what I do, there's a link explaining more about Breakout University in the description below. In terms of affiliate support, we really only had 5 key affiliates that mailed for a period of 7 days. All right. They booked themselves, they put on their sequencing for 7 days, and then, they won prize money. We have affiliate contests and stuff like that as well. And as a product vendor, we generated probably about 50% of those sales as well. Okay, so what I just, obviously I'm going to promote my own offer to my own list as well. So that's what I did. I promoted my own offer, and I was able to probably, generate probably just over half the sales. I think I did about 320 sales or something myself. I love just promoting new stuff, even if it's my own. And then also Breakout University, I sent, for the second day of the launch, was usually the second day of the launch is when it really starts picking up. First day, it's a little bit slow to start, but then on the second day, it always picks up. So what I did was, like, when I sent traffic, traffic, and I got my Breakout University students got their affiliate links. They also get an 80% commission bump as well. So, instead of like on a $297 upsell, which is what we had here on the Done For You, instead of getting like $144 commission, they got $219, right? So bigger commissions, bigger bumps, bigger profits as well. So I paid out almost $1,000 in commissions to the Breakout University students that actually put their links on a rotator to my list, and they made money. All right, so that was a really cool way of being able to do that. So we always made sure that we had a really good offer structured, and on top of that, on the back end, we started after a few days of the launch. We usually a few days after they buy. We don't really start. We want to make sure they're sort of like centralized within that offer in itself, and then once they purchase, so after 3 days, they start going through. We start putting them in front of Breakout University. So I was able to make an additional 10K, probably within maybe so on top of that, I had 12K gross profit. On top of that, I probably made 22K gross profit after that, within that, which is pretty good for pretty good for 7 days. So if this is obviously something that you're keen on, really moving forward with, and you want to go jump in, the conclusion of this being is that for me, it was a successful launch. With, low to mid support. Takeaways, better timing in getting JV support as well. What else is there? Probably re-look at OTO4 and beyond in terms of conversions. So the cart value could have been better in a way. So I'm not saying, I'm not going to toot my own horn. There were some areas in this launch that does need working and tweaking. But, I've got to really look at like OTO4 and beyond in terms of the, the bot templates, the mega bundle and stuff like that. It's like, why did that not convert? Could have been a simple market, where the state of the market is. Could it be the actual offers? Did I not give them enough incentive to pull the trigger? There's definitely a lot of that. In terms of takeaways, I probably could have done better on the timing of the actual launch as well. All right, was it poorly timed? Did I not give affiliates enough time to get their campaign set? Did I not be able to do this, right? As far as I was concerned, it was still a successful launch, considering, because I still made around about 22 grand, for something that I could have really done better with. If I did better of it, the profits would have been much higher. I would have done a lot better with Breakout University. I would have done a lot more at the same time. So if this is something that you're sort of interested in, you want to get to know more, and you want to have a chat, you're more than welcome to check out, ask a bit more information about my inner circle. My inner circle is $4,800 for six months. So, what you get there is, in terms of, we'll help you build a front end offer as well with, with some upgrades that you can start really, boosting some profits with. Also, we'll help you create a mastermind as well, like your own mid high ticket offer. So you can also boost that as well. And on top of that, we'll also, give you, a one-to-one call each month If we need to jump on a call for extra 30 minutes as well, we'll do that. You also get the chat support. You also get access to everyone, my designers, the copywriters, everyone that I use, and be able to start, really leveraging, really good converting pages like this as well. All right. I didn't touch this. The copywriter did the work, obviously, after I vetted it, and the designers did a really good job in terms of, making a really good interactive page with really good call to actions and moving forward as well. So guys, if you are interested, you want to jump in and you want to sort of and you're interested in, basically sort of like modeling what I do here, jump in, have a chat with me, and down below is a link in the description, and I'd be really good to have a chat with you. So anyway, guys, thanks very much. Thanks for watching. Just a quick video on how I did basically 24K in 7 days. Cheers.